Hey guys, welcome back to this video. This is CC. I'm going to be trying to get cars to honk. Nothing. Come on, man, nothing. Seriously? Seriously? Jeep. Another one. Hey, there we go. Another car. Hey, let's go. Got a car. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my lighting was kind of up high. Here's another car. Focus. Sorry, my camera won't focus, but there's like a robin egg right here. Now another truck. There we go, got another car. Oh, it's turning. Nope, focusing on the turn. Yay, car, got it to honk. Nothing. Go, got a truck. He didn't even look. Okay. Nothing. Go check out my friend's channel. It's called Dragon Dog. And got another car. You're not having so much luck today. Anything else? No. Got it to honk. Got a car. Here we go. Hey, you got it. Here comes a truck. That's actually a car. Hey. Here comes a truck. Nothing. I'm going to try to get 3 more cars to honk, and I'm going to end the video. La la la. Oh yeah, there you go. So 2 more cars to honk, and then, oh, well, maybe here's another one that might honk. La la la. Okay, never mind. He definitely did not honk. Are there any more? No, no more cars? Okay. I got a car here. Nothing? Nothing? Seriously? Here you go, car. Seriously? Nothing there. That was 3 more cars, but I'm going to try to get 1 more. Let's see if we can get this one to honk. Come on! Well, I mean, you sped up, but you didn't honk. Hey. And that's it. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. God bless. Goodbye.